Hey everyone, today I'd like to show you this exercise on save the workbook with a timestamp. And our goal for this exercise is we're gonna save the workbook with a new name that includes the date and time. So before we exit the Excel, the date and time will be saved, as well as the extension .xlsm, because we're gonna save it macro enabled. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna right click the sheet tab here, down here, then click the view code, and then I'm gonna insert a new module 1. Then I'm gonna write now the macro. This is just a basic VBA coding that we're gonna be doing. It's easy to understand, so I'm gonna name my macro save with timestamp. This would be an appropriate name for this. Enter. Then I'm gonna dim it. Okay, dim path as string. Okay, so dim path as string. Enter. And then I'm gonna say the path is equal to this workbook. Okay, this workbook dot path ampersand, I would say quotation mark, okay, and then backslash backup file. This is a backup file, okay, underline, and then quotation mark, okay, then ampersand format. We're gonna format now the date and the hour. Format, open parenthesis, now, comma, and quotation mark. This should be 4y, 1 2 3 4, then 2m and 2d. Okay, year, month, and day. Then underline. Okay, for the hour I'm gonna say HS and NSS, right? Then quotation mark, then close it. Simple as that. Okay, and our file extension, okay, .xlsm, macro enable file, and then quotation mark, then enter. Again, this workbook, right, dot save copy as, save copy as, colon, rather path. Right, now for the message box, because this is where we're gonna put our timestamp inside the message box, so we're gonna say message box. Okay, I'm gonna say message box and quotation mark workbook and save as, colon, then quotation mark and path. End sub. Let's find out whether this code is working for this or not. So I'm gonna go to the developer tab, gonna open the macros, I'm gonna run the macros. Okay, there you have it. Okay, the workbook save as your username, and then the date would be 5 June 2025, and the hour would be 2200, meaning 10 o'clock in the evening, 2224 minutes 41 seconds, and the extension file XLSM. That's it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and